AAC panel systems. Lightweight, precise, durable. Unloading and stacking of AAC panels. AAC panels are unloaded carefully and stacked on level timber supports to prevent damage. Fixing to structural frame. Mild steel support frames are fabricated with precision to ensure proper alignment and stability. Marking and levelling. Verticality is verified using a plumb to ensure accurate wall alignment. Channel fixing. Channels are used to securely fix the panels at both the top and the bottom. AC panel erection. Panels are carefully lifted and placed into the channels, aligned vertically and adjusted to the correct position. Tongue and groove interlocking. The tongue and groove edges are interlocked and bonded with thin bed adhesive for a tight, seamless fit. Additional panel height. For additional height, the panels are precisely cut to the required length and securely placed on top. Joint finishing. Joints and corners are reinforced with fibre mesh and special bonding agents to ensure proper adhesion, prevent cracking and improve surface continuity. Concealed works, electrical and plumbing. The surface of the panels is neatly cut and chased to incorporate electrical panels, conduits and plumbing lines within the narrow chases, which are sealed after installation. Surface preparation and finishing. Primer is sprayed over the cleaned panel surface, followed by wall putty and the final paint as per architectural requirement. Completed AAC wall partition. The completed AAC partition delivers a neat finish, structural stability and readiness for the final finish. Autoclaved Aerated Concrete AAC panel system. Lightweight and easy to handle, faster construction. Excellent acoustic property, soundproof. Good load-bearing capacity, durability. Superior surface finish, aesthetics. Use sphere towards integrated future.